Tonight on Next Caller, Diddy gets robbed in broad daylight. I was live outside 500 Pearl Street today. Today is one of the darkest days in recent courtroom memory. Sean Diddy Combs has just been sentenced to 50 months in prison. That's 4 years. And if you ask me, he was robbed. I was so mad I didn't even want to do a video tonight. Let me say it straight. The judge, Subramanian, the one I tried to give the benefit of the doubt, just showed his hand. All those whispers about bias? They were right, because what we just witnessed was not justice, it was retaliation. See, Diddy was already acquitted of RICO, trafficking, coercion. A jury of his peers heard the same evidence and said, not guilty. But today, that very same evidence was recycled, used against him to sentence him for a Mann Act violation, a law so outdated, so controversial, that even Supreme Court justices have questioned why it's still on the books. They didn't sentence him based on the one charge he was convicted of. They sentenced him like he was convicted of everything. Jane's testimony, Cassie's letter, even emotional trauma that was never cross-examined. And because Diddy exercised his constitutional right not to testify, the judge basically said, well, then it must be true. That is not how the system is supposed to work. This wasn't just a trial, it was a message. Even when you beat the big charges, we'll still get you on the technicality. And don't tell me 10 months off the max is some kind of mercy. This should have been time served. Diddy has been in a cell for 14 months under brutal conditions. He's not a flight risk. He's not a danger to society. But now he's being kept from his kids, his business, his life. Because a judge chose to punish him for charges a jury dismissed. This ain't justice. This is personal. We'll break the whole day down later. But for now, if I was Team Diddy, I would be trying to get the Donald on the phone for a pardon because what we witnessed was straight prejudice. Stay with us. The fight ain't over. Next caller, keep Diddy in your prayers tonight.